This video I will explain how to build your first MCP server step by step. Imagine you have an AI assistant. Now imagine you want that AI assistant to read files, access company data, search documents, and connect to tools like GitHub or Google Drive. How can the AI safely access all this information? That is where an MCP server becomes useful. Now we will see what is an MCP server. An MCP server is a system that provides tools, data, services, and information to an AI model using the Model Context Protocol, also called MCP. In simple words, an MCP server acts like a helper system for AI. The MCP server gives AI access to external resources safely and in a structured way. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine a restaurant. Customer is the AI assistant. Waiter is the MCP communication layer. The kitchen is the MCP server. The customer asks for food. The waiter carries the request. The kitchen prepares the food and sends the result back. In the same way, AI asks for information. MCP handles the communication. The MCP server provides the data. An MCP server can read files, access databases, search documents, connect to APIs, provide company information, perform calculations, and use external tools. Before building your first MCP server, you need some basic things. First one, programming language. Most beginners use Python, JavaScript, or Node.js. For beginners, Python is usually easier. Second one, a computer. You need Windows, Mac, or Linux. Any normal computer works. Third one, Python installed. You need Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official Python website. Now we will see step by step how to build your first MCP server. Now let's build a very simple MCP server. The beginner example will receive request, return simple information, and simulate communication with AI. Step 1. Create a project folder. Create a new folder called My First MCP Server. This folder will store all your project files. Step 2. Create a Python file. Inside the folder, create a file named server.py. This file will contain your MCP server code. Step 3. Install required libraries. A library is a pre-written code that helps developers to build applications faster. Open terminal or command prompt. Run this command. Pip install FastAPI UVCon. What is FastAPI? FastAPI helps you to create web servers easily. What is UVCon? UVCon runs the server. You can think of FastAPI as a kitchen, and you can think of UVCon as the delivery system. Step 4. Write basic server code. Create a simple server using FastAPI. Import FastAPI, create an application object, create a route for the home page, return a message called My First MCP Server. What does this code do? FastAPI creates the server. The route defines the URL path the users can use. The return statement sends the response back. Step 5. Start the server. For this, you have to run this command. Your server will start running. You may see running on this particular URL. This means the server is active. Step 6. Open the server. Open your browser. Go to this particular URL. You will see a message saying, My First MCP Server. Congratulations, your first MCP style server is now working. Step 7. Add a simple tool. Suppose you want the tool that returns company information. You have to create a new route called company. Return the company name and employee count. Now open this URL. The server returns the company data. Now we will see how AI uses this server. Now imagine a AI assistant connected to this MCP server. The AI asks, give company details. The MCP server responds, company name, employee count, and other information. The AI then uses that data to answer users. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine a company chatbot. An employee asks, How many employees work here? The AI itself may not know the answer. So the MCP server connects to the company database, fetches the information, and sends the data to the AI. Now the AI answers correctly. Now we will see important MCP concepts. First one, client. Client is the system requesting information. For example, AI assistant. Second one, server. Server is the system providing information. For example, your MCP server. Third one, context. Context means extra information needed by AI. For example, documents, reports, user data, and file contents. Fourth one, protocol. Protocol is a set of communication rules between systems. Why MCP servers are powerful? First, AI gets real-time information. The AI can access live data. Second one, AI provide better responses. AI gives smarter answers using external context. Third one is easier tool integration. One standard communication method works across many tools. Fourth one is scalable systems. Large companies can connect many systems to AI. Now we will see the simple analogy. Think of an MCP server like a librarian. The AI asks, find this information. The MCP server searches the records, finds the correct data, and returns the answer. The MCP server helps AI to access knowledge safely. Now we will see common beginner mistakes. First one, forgetting to start the server. The server must be running before request to work. Second one, wrong file names. You have to check the file named correctly like server.py and whatever commands you are typing, the spelling is correct. Third one, missing libraries. You have to install required packages properly. Fourth one, confusing between client and server. You have to remember client asks and server provides. Where MCP servers are used. MCP servers are commonly used in AI assistants, coding copilots, enterprise AI systems, customer support bots, document search systems, and business automation. Now we will see the summary. An MCP server provides tools and information to AI systems. The MCP server helps AI to access external data. You can build a simple server using Python and Fast API. The server receives the request and return responses. The MCP servers help AI become more powerful and useful.